wage revision for SAIL and RINL, which is due from 1/1/2017. The tenure of last agreement has ended in December 31st, December 2016. So for the last 4 years, from say to other unions also, we are continuously struggling, demanding immediate settlement of wage in NGCS for both permanent and contractor workers simultaneously. But SAIL management is very reluctant in calling the meeting, in discussing all the issues and discussing the pending issues also. We know that issue of HRA in major portion of SAIL and pension also pending. So that too needs a lot of discussion. But for the last 4 years, they have conducted NGCS meeting once in a year. So ultimately, speculation throughout the industry has risen up to the level that within 2-3 meetings it will be ended. But in the history of NGCS, we can sum up all the issues, and it will just take 2 or 3 meetings. It was not even in the past happened. So in this time also, now we are feeling that another news was spreading throughout the industry that there would be a gift, Diwali gift at the time of Diwali, and before the retirement of the then chairman, Mr. Anil Sharma, everything will be finalized. But the reality is different, and ultimately the 2 virtual meeting of NGCS convened by the management, and in the last meeting also 3 gifts of Diwali totally outrightly rejected by SAITO and other union also. Management has given a proposal of tenure of the agreement that it should be 10 years, and they have also given proposal that there should be arrear payment not from 1/1/2017, that is no retrospective effect should be given in terms of arrear. So it will be prospective, and any date from 2020 when there will be a profit, a company will go to profit bid, then only we will get the area. And another very dangerous one that we know in the SAIL, so the SAIL, those who have joined after 1/7/2014, their gratuity is with ceiling, but all the senior employees of SAIL, our gratuity is ceilingless. But management has come with a proposal of capping the gratuity up to 20 lakhs. In the notes of conclusion, they have detailed it that there will be another option of going to 25 lakhs in some specific mathematics. But the 3 proposal that tenure of the agreement is 10 years for this agreement, and there will be a capping up to 20 lakhs, and there should be no arrear payment from 1/1/2017. So these 3 proposals was outrightly rejected by SAITO, and we called all the trade union, we appealed all the trade union to reject it, and at that particular meeting we told management to withdraw all these proposals and discuss in a manner in which we can go up to the point, up to particular point where we can sign the agreement, and each and everybody associated with steel industry is eagerly waiting for the NGCS agreement. So management was supposed to convene the meeting, another meeting, and positively this time there should be a physical meeting. And so many points in that particular meeting we raised that physical meeting can be conveyed at Delhi or other places. So the name of Hyderabad city came at that particular meeting also. So when we sat in a meeting, in a virtual meeting with all the trade unions, there a consensus reached between among the trade unions, NGCS trade unions, that we will not allow any prospective effect in terms of arrear. So retrospective effect of arrear from 1/1/2017 is our right, and we will have that amount, and there should not be any curtailment in terms of gratuity. In the name of capping, they want to curtail our right also, so there should not be any curtailment in the name of capping or other thing. And the periodicity, we have in a single line, our concept is that in 2009, 30th, 31st October, we went for strike. 2 days historical strike was there in the steel industry, and then we revert back to 5 years agreement. And at that time also, it was clear to all the steel employees. At this time also, it is a single line that 2 consecutive 5 years agreement is always better than 10 years agreement. So we should stick to the point that this time the tenure of the agreement should be 5 years, and there should be retrospective effect from 1/1/2017, and there should be no curtailment in the gratuity and issue of contractor workers. In the pandemic situation, they are stood beside during the production, and they have become the part and parcel of production procedure in SAIL and RINL also. So all these things to be discussed immediately through physical meeting so that we can reach a consensus, and there should be immediate wage settlement for all contract and permanent workers for SAIL and RINL. In the last meeting of all the trade unions on 24th December, it was also unanimously decided that management should come out with a concrete proposal in terms of periodicity and in terms of MGB. They should clearly utter what should be the percentage, what amount of MGB. And if management doesn't come out with a concrete proposal, management showing the same reluctant attitude as management is doing for the last 4 years, then we have to prepare. We have to prepare throughout the industry for a united struggle. And the message should go to the grassroots level that CI2 with the slogan of ignitious struggle and always a united struggle. But if other trade union they are not ready, then we have to go alone. We have to go alone. So 1 month long demonstrative program, agitative program will be performed in SAIL and RINL. But after that, we again talk to all other trade unions. If we can go unitedly, then unitedly we will reach to the agreement. Otherwise, we have to go for the highest form of struggle, that is through all this program, agitation, demonstration, strike also. In 26th November strike, our last demand throughout the steel industry, 7-point program was there. Last point related to steel industry, related to our wage settlement and against privatization also. So again, we are preparing ourselves that if nothing happens in all the meetings and if management stick to their obstinate position, then we have to go for highest form of struggle, that is strike, and we are preparing ourselves in that direction. Thank you.